Hey guys, I'm Kavan, and on today's episode of PhotoForge, we're heading out into the snow. Our guest model is a friend of mine, and her name's Shy, and you can follow her here on Instagram. We also got some help from my friend Fletcher to get this awesome shot, and I might have made a prop for the photo. So without further ado, let's head out to the location and start snapping some shots. To begin editing, I first need to remove Fletcher's hand from the photo. Normally I would have a base image with nothing in the frame, but I forgot this time around. So to make things a little more tricky, I'm using an image I shot of Shy before Fletcher was holding the back piece. I place the image without Fletcher over our base image. I cut out only the portion I need to cover. I then begin erasing everything beside the area that is covering Fletcher's hand. Once I have done that, you'll notice the feathers from the previous image are still showing through. That's fine, we'll get rid of those. Next, merge your cutout layer to your base layer, then duplicate that layer. Create a new blank layer and use the spot healing brush tool to get rid of these feathers. Just paint over them with the spot healing brush tool and they will be removed based on what's around them. Luckily in this case, it's mostly just snow. I apply this same process to removing the string around the bottom of the back piece. To begin coloring, I start with a black and white layer, lowering the opacity around 12%. I then use a selective color layer, adjusting the blacks, neutrals, and whites. I then use several more selective color layers, with each layer focusing on an individual color. I add a curves and a brightness and contrast layer, as well as a few more small touch-ups. Then, we're done. Well, that does it for this week's episode. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. And a big thanks to our guest model, Shy. You can follow her here on Instagram. She also makes some really epic art, so go check out all of her stuff. And lastly, a huge thanks to our show sponsor, BayPhoto Lab. BayPhoto Lab is the best in photo prints. And the coolest part, if you sign up with BayPhoto Lab using me as your referral, you'll get 25% off your first order. To do this, just click the link in the description below. With that said, I'll see you guys next time.